welcome inside the brand new Aston Martin Db12 S. Zaid. Wait, so did you say your name Zaid or Zaid?
My name is Zed.
Zed. Because I always said Zaid, by the way.
Yeah, because every PR person's like, hi, say hi to Zaid or hi to Zaid. And I'm like, yeah, cool, we'll just run with that.
So I was wrong then?
No, everybody is right.
Okay.
Nobody is wrong.
Okay. Yeah. And today we are in the south of France on what is actually a super nice road, isn't it?
Yes, it's opened up finally after 1 hour of not being open.
It's now gone into 2-lane, which is quite nice. Although cyclists and oncoming cars doesn't leave much room for having too much fun. But the road itself, super nicely paved and just very pretty. Although you can't really use this power here. It's a very pleasant kind of Sunday cruise. Two old men like us.
Very old men.
Bald
and balding.
Bald, boring, and just a bit useless. Lower back pain.
Very big breakfast.
Yeah, ate too much French toast this morning and felt very sleepy after. So you could say it was a good start, but it was also a bit of a useless start.
No, not useless. We're embracing the lifestyle of an Aston Martin owner.
Down south,
correct,
right, on holiday.
That's it. South of France, very big Aston Martin.
Yeah, it is big, isn't it? Oh, bike on the wrong side of the road. So yeah, we're just out for first experience drive, getting to know the car, having some fun, of course. I think we're on a coffee run today. I think this video is going to be a coffee run. Yet to be decided. So I've been driving the car now for around half an hour. And first impressions, which are, for me anyway, very important. I would say a highlight for me so far is how the car rides. I know they have updated the suspension. Apparently also firmer, but it's just more usable. It's taking the bumps better. The steering is definitely improved. I mean, you're yet to try it, but it just feels really nice. It's not bouncy. There's also less understeer apparently as well, which is good in a car this big and this heavy. So the ride, I would say, does feel the best it's felt yet from the Aston Martins that I've driven personally. It's 700 PS, 800 Newton meters of torque, plenty of power, no V12.
No V12, I mean, if anything, it's more of a time to compare maybe to Advantage, because the engine is a similar layout, and as we discussed before, very happy that there's no hybrid.
So happy there's no hybrid.
It doesn't need to be either, by the feel of it.
Bit of a crack then. It's silly fast. There is sound. Yes. So the titanium exhaust is an option.
It's an option, but they've worked on both the stainless steel and the titanium, obviously, to make them louder.
Okay.
But, yeah, this car obviously is
so
fancy press car with a fancy exhaust.
Exactly. So apparently, which something I've touched on in the past, it's not just about making a car louder. It's about improving the sound. So I've always said that for me personally, my favourite sounding exhausts are titanium. I love the pitch that it gives. It gives us higher pitch. It just sounds a bit more lighter. And this morning on the startup, we both agreed that it sounded nice.
Yeah, it was louder than we expected for a modern car on a cold start.
Yeah,
and then it went very quiet after the cold start.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, cold start sounds great though.
Great on a cold start.
You will if you buy one, you will really enjoy the cold start.
Yes.
As you heard, then also there are some cracks. We've got it in Sport Plus now.
Yeah.
You do need to push it quite a bit to get the sound out, and unnecessarily downshift will get these nice cracks like that. Oh, very narrow corners. Like I said, absolutely stunning road. I mean, really, this is more of a motorcycle road or a small car. but it's still super nice to be here. Increased camber on the rear. There's a man. Sorry. The camber helped then to
yes,
maneuver
exactly.
around.
Yes, less understeer. Yeah,
Less understeer. Yeah. Which actually would add to what I said before about the car just feels better.
Yeah, it's quite interesting. They said they've worked a lot on the diff to reduce understeer, as we're experiencing right now.
That was
well demonstrated.
Yeah, I was meant to do that.
Yeah, they said they're opening the diff up more and it's more aggressive to feel more rear-wheel drive.
Yeah,
ties you going into corners, so it's turning the car more.
Yeah. It felt very nice then on that planned tight corner. They all come with ceramics.
Ceramics as standard on the DB12 S.
Yeah.
And I think that's what he was trying to explain, the developer of basically how the car drives. He said that because we have ceramics as standard, we can keep the dampers in one, designed to be in one weight setting essentially, because you can't have the option of steel or ceramic. So perhaps this is helping to have such a great ride, which is.
He said 26 kilograms of unsprung mass.
Yes.
Which is a lot.
Yes. And even, I'm reading, the one picture I took was of the titanium exhaust stats.
Yeah.
There's 11.7 kilos. It's quite a lot.
Less, there is a lot, isn't it?
It's quite a lot for an exhaust.
Yeah.
And I think it's quite interesting that they make it look like the DBX707 or the DBX S. With stacked tailpipes as well.
These quad stack exhaust, I think looks really nice.
Yeah, looks like a Ferrari California.
It did remind me of something.
Lexus ISF
Lexus, exactly.
Well.
Yeah.
GSF. It's cool that they're doing this S range. I think it's nice to add something more to the standard car.
Because right now from the newer models, it's the S, so it's the DBX has an S.
Yes.
Now this and one other.
Vantage is coming. Well, apparently it's already been communicated, but no one's really driven it, so that's the next one.
Okay.
So I asked if it would replace the standard model, and said no, they will offer both the standard model and the S. So it's cool. I'm so happy it makes some noise. It's the first thing we checked when we left the hotel. Does it make noise?
Does it make noise? Put the window down a little bit, see if we can hear those. Nice bit of wind noise.
A little bit.
Didn't do it. The one time we put the windows down. A little.
Yeah, a little.
Let's try again. Downshift. There we go.
It's very AMG-esque.
It is.
It's very AMG. It really reminds me of the first gen AMG GT. It'll be interesting to know two things: how much it costs and how much it weighs.
Yeah, we don't know the price, do we?
No, but it's.
Oh, that was a. Yeah, it's meant to do that.
Yeah, press car life.
Press car life. Yeah, press cars have a very hard life.
Yeah, it's been doing this road for the last 2 weeks.
Oh yeah,
every single day.
YouTubers and journalists just absolutely hammering it on these French back roads for 2 weeks straight. Got a tunnel.
Yes, we should.
That was worth it.
Yeah, good.
Happy I put the window down for that. You know, the first thing I thought is I'm just so happy it's not a hybrid. I'm so happy there's not a battery interfering and constantly changing modes and then doing regen and then extra weight and then loss of luggage space. So I'm just happy about that it's not a hybrid. And I'm just personally a big fan of the Aston Martin brand at the moment. Well, since some time now, and I would say my love for Aston Martin has grown a lot recently. I really like what they're doing. I love the design of the cars. That's what's really won me over. And the people behind the brand are also, that's such a big thing. You can have a really nice car and then you find out that the people behind it, you know, or the dealerships are not the nicest, which does happen.